Presenting the 2018 Kia Forte LX. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 147 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, clock and dash, cruise control and external temperature display. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.